Hey Shara, my name is Viola with Gwinnett SEO, and in this video, I'm going to show you 3 things that you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Now, we'll keep this short, but if by the end of this video you like what you heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that I could help your business with, then shoot me a message back and we can chat. And if not, no worries. I'm just trying to help as many business owners as I can. I hope you're able to take these tips I'm giving you and put them into action. Now, the only thing I ask, if you don't mind, would just be to give me some feedback on this video and let me know if it was at all helpful. Now, the 3 things that we will be going over are content, backlinks, and citations. So first up is content, and that's pretty much anything that you can see on your site here. It does include the words, but it also includes the pictures and what your pictures are saved as. Google really likes to see at least 1,500 words on the home page of your website, but within those 1,500 words, that gives you the opportunity to integrate in keywords that people are searching when they're looking for your services. So honestly, overall, your website looks fantastic. I love how bright it is. I love the immediate call to action up here. All right. I love the clarity of the photos, all the information. It is a good looking website. But for example, if I go on this picture back here and I try to save it, Google may not notice how beautiful the house is or the photo is, but they do read what's written behind the photo. And that could be saved as a keyword that you guys are specifically trying to be searched for or located for within all these different cities that you guys serve. So that's definitely a big thing. And also, you definitely want to get your website upwards, the homepage upwards to 1,500 words. You guys are currently sitting at about 650. You want to get at least 1,500. The next thing that we're going to talk about will be citations. And let's click over to Google. When somebody goes in Google and they click or they type in roof repair, Alpharetta, Georgia, for example, they always bypass all of the ads. And then in this area right here is what I want to talk about. This has everything to do with citations, which pretty much are known as directories throughout the web. We call this the map pack. And a directory is basically anywhere where you have your business name, your address, and your phone number listed, and such as Yelp, Yellow Pages, Yext, Facebook, etc. There are so many. Anywhere or any other type of business that would allow a business to enter in those details. So you want to check out where your competitors are being listed, and you want to grab those listings for your business, but then you want to double, triple, quadruple the amount and as far as where you're found. So for example, if Mr. Roofer Atlanta has 10 citations, then you want to get yourself in those same 10 and add another 20, 30, 40 on top of that. And that's going to have you completely dominating them in that space, which will also help you rank high on the maps here, because as soon as your competitors start doing something different, it could affect your spot as well. So always make sure that you're staying on top of that so you can beat them out pretty much every single month. Now let's jump down to here. This is the organic section. And this section pretty much has everything to do with backlinks. And a backlink is basically the way it works. There's a website out there that has a link back to your site, and it's pushing power to your sites, and it's also potentially driving traffic to it. But please understand that not all backlinks are created equal. Let's say, for example, you guys did some work on someone who owns an ice cream shop, and they decided that they're going to take a link from their site and push it back to yours. Well, their link is going to be all about ice cream, so it's not going to be pretty helpful. You're going to want to get links from other roofing companies that send something back to your site, that send a signal to Google that this is the industry that you're in. So doing this will make your website a lot more powerful as well as more unique. And this will help you get ranked on the first page here while also ranking #1 in that map section as well. One of the tools that we use, I want to go over with you here, is called Ahrefs. And I went ahead and put your business in there. And what it basically says is that you guys currently have 62 websites linking back to you 221 times, utilizing 193 keywords, and you're currently getting an organic traffic of approximately 22 clients per month. And I went ahead and put one of the competitors in there, Mr. Roofer Atlanta, and they currently have 427 websites linking back to them 61,000 times, using 514 keywords and getting them a traffic value of a little over $6,000. So per month. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of these keywords so you can get a good idea of what exactly I'm talking about. For example, roof repair alpharetta, 350 people search for that per month. Not very difficult to beat. They are currently getting 32 clients out of that 350, and they're sitting in the number 4 spot on Google. All right, let's go see if we could grab another one. Roof repair alpharetta, 200 people search for it per month. They get 20 clients from it, and they're in the number 5 spot. So I won't bore you with this entire list, but this is pretty much what I was referring to when I was speaking about saving these photos and optimizing them as different keywords on your home page so you guys could get a stronger chance of being the authoritative site when it comes to a Google search. So that's pretty much all I have for you today. Just and truly, in order to beat out your competition, you just want to make sure that you're being found in a lot of places that they are. Then again, as we spoke about earlier, you always want to make sure that you're adding on top of that. This way you are far surpassing your competitors. So that's pretty much all I have. I do hope this video was helpful. And if you would like more information about Gwinnett SEO and how we could help grow your business via your online presence, please contact us. We would love to talk to you. But thank you again. And once again, if you don't want to, give us a call back, that's fine. I do hope that you find this information helpful and you guys are able to put it to some good use. Thanks again for your time. Hope you have a fantastic rest of your day.